Glam Kitchen fam, and welcome new viewers. Today's top tier recipe is air fryer lemon garlic Parmesan chicken kebabs. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Shantae, and welcome to my kitchen, the Glam Kitchen. Here in the Glam Kitchen, I teach you how to make top tier recipes at home. Now let's get you cooking. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like and subscribe. All ingredients and instructions are listed below in the link in my description box. If you miss anything, please note that you can go there and grab the full recipe. Pictured, I have 2 pounds of chicken breast diced up, extra virgin olive oil, all-purpose seasoning, Badia complete seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, unsalted butter, minced garlic, fresh lemon juice, grated Parmesan, and fresh parsley. My Glam Kitchen tip for you is use fresh lemon juice, please. All right, we're going to start out by seasoning our chicken with all-purpose seasoning, complete seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. Then you want to drizzle that with some extra virgin olive oil. I use chicken breast for this, but you could also use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So now that we've added our seasoning and olive oil to the chicken, I want you to mix this well so that each piece of chicken is evenly coated with the seasoning. 2 tips in regards to your chicken skewers. You want to make sure that you soak them in water for 30 to 60 minutes if you're using wooden skewers. And also make sure that you get a shorter, smaller size so that they can fit in your air fryer. As you can see, I assembled my chicken pieces onto the chicken skewers. So these babies are ready for our air fryer. I want you to air fry these on 400 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. And I want you to flip them halfway through the cook time. So again, 400 degrees, 18 to 20 minutes, flip them halfway through. As y'all can see, I was struggling to flip these kebabs. I was struggling, child. So hopefully y'all could do that easier than me. After they've cooked 18 to 20 minutes, they look delicious. You're going to take them out and set them aside. The air fryer that I'm using is a Ninja Foodie that I got a few years ago. It is a smaller air fryer, so I had to do like 2 batches of these. To put our sauce together, you want to melt unsalted butter with minced garlic and then pour in that fresh lemon juice. Add your grated Parmesan cheese. And lastly, add your fresh parsley. Give this a good mix. Child, this lemon garlic Parmesan sauce is going to be so good over these kebabs. Now our sauce is ready and we can go ahead and brush our sauce over our kebabs. Now, my sauce portion, it makes a lot of the sauce, but if you like me, you like it extra lemony, garlicky, and parmesan-y when it comes to sauce. So, hey, have at it. Y'all, these air fryer chicken kebabs are looking so good. Like the color on them, the butter sauce on it, it's giving top tier. After you've brushed your kebabs with the lemon garlic Parmesan sauce, they are ready to serve. I sprinkled a little more parsley over it and served it with some sliced lemons. That is a wrap on another top tier recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure you like and subscribe. Bye-bye.